In today's world, everybody's an entrepreneur, even the people who can't define the word entrepreneurship. Attention to detail. That is the most underestimated trait and ability to grow a business that modern entrepreneurs fail to understand. Attention to detail shows care. Attention to detail indicates specific interest. Attention to detail is relatability. These new youngsters nowadays think that creating massive appeal is the only way to sell their product or service. Focus on the specifics and watch people flock towards you.
Need some market reconnection. We got the answers to your questions. No second thoughts or second guessing. You need some market reconnection.